Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change background in Snapseed. And here's how it is done. Open Snapseed and load your main photo. Go to Tools, Double Exposure. Add a new background image by tapping the image icon at the bottom. Adjust the opacity by moving the slider to blend the two images. Tap the checkmark when done. Go to Tools, View Edits, Double Exposure and tap the brush icon. Use your finger to brush and reveal the new background while masking the main subject. Zoom in for detailed editing. You can also use selective adjustments by opening your image in Snapseed. Use Tools, Selective, to enhance specific parts of the background, brightness, contrast, or saturation. Adjust each control point for precise edits. And that's everything you need to know about how to change background in Snapseed. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.